I'm assuming you clicked this video because you want to learn how to dance, and I would say this, I don't care what anyone has told you or what you have told yourself, you can learn how to dance. Anyone can dance, and it is amazing when you let your body do what it wants to do, and when you force it to do certain things you are not even used to, right? So that being said, if you want to learn how to dance, maybe you are planning for a wedding coming up, or you just want to learn some fun dance moves, stick with me. Right now I'm going to show you some moves we will learn, and then later on in the video we are going to practice it together. Let me show you. All right, welcome back. So right now I want you to realize that for you, I flipped the video, I flipped the screen. This is your right hand, this is your left hand, this is your right leg, this is your left leg. Do what you see me do. Don't do what you think I'm doing. Do what I do. Follow me, follow my explanations, and by God's grace, you will learn it, right? If you want to work with me personally too, feel free to reach out. Let's have a conversation. I'll leave my details in the description. Right now, let's move. So the first one, we're going side to side, so we're going to start with our waist up. Make sure you give your leg space like this. I call it the pizza V. So we're going to lean our shoulder to the right and then to the left and then to the right again. Just basic 1, 2, 3. So we go 1 and 2 and 3. Again, let's go 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2 and 3. If you notice, my hands are up. Yep. We can add that, but right now we are more focused on this and leaning to those directions. So let's go again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3. So ideally the first move is meant to be 1, 2, 3, clap. So we clap on the opposite direction. So if we end up leaning on our right, we clap at our left, but we clap like close to our face, not this, but when I say close to our face, in height. So it is not too far from our face, but not too close. And we clap. And then we go the next direction. 1, 2, 3, clap. Some people, they clap and they raise their legs, which is that. But for now, no leg raising. Let's go again. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and clap. So clap like you're about to kill that mosquito. Let's go again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. 1 and 2 and swing your body. 5, 6, 7 and beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. So basically, that's the first move. We are stable. We're not moving a lot. And I don't want you to feel like you have to do a lot when you are dancing. Really, nobody cares. And most of the people that feel like they have an opinion, they don't know how to dance too. So please enjoy yourself. Have fun. Don't focus on how you look. Focus more on how you feel. And then how you look will come around. Right? Right. That's what I want to say. Right. So, so let's move to the next one. We're still going to be planted. We have 4 box. We have 4 points at the box, right? So we have the 1, 2, 3, 4. And why I say 4 points, not an actual box, but if we draw a square, I mean, right? We have 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to use our body and dance to that shape. That's one of the things I teach my clients. You can use literally anything, your day-to-day life, to shapes, to colors, to textures, or whatever. You can use literally anything. So now we're going to use the box or the square. Let me stop calling it box. The square. We're going to dance through it. So let's imagine there's one here, one dot here, one dot here. one dot here and one dot here, right? Or rectangle standing like portrait mode. So first place we go to is the one down. And basically all we are doing is shaking our body while we get to that direction. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we didn't go 1, 2, 3, 4. We can. It says 1, 2, 3, 4. But for some reasons, I don't know, maybe it's just me. And if you are learning from me or learning with me, I advise you do what I'm doing for now before you go on to explore. Coming from here up feels like a drag, but coming from here up feels more exciting. You know? So let's try it again. We go 1, like we are drawing Z the opposite way. We're drawing it this way. Yeah. Yeah. So let's go slow. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Take it down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And if you check it now, all we've been doing is going through the line of an hourglass. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So just keep that in mind. 5, let's go. 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, move your hands. 2, if you're not smiling, you're doing it wrong. And 4, let's go now. 1, hit, and 2, hit, and 3, hit, and 4. Can you see that? Literally anything you want to do can go with this. Let's go now. 1, hit, and 2, hit, and 3, hit, and 4. Awesome. So if you feel like I'm moving too fast, you can always take it back, watch it again. This video is here for you. I'm making it for you. Yeah. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment, let me know what you like about this and what you want to learn more. And yeah, let's move on. So now we've done side to side. We've done, what do we call this? Let's call it the hourglass. Nice. So we just named it together, me and you, even though I named on your behalf. So side to side, or shoulder side, first one, hourglass, second one. The next one, basically, I don't remember what the name is. Did I even know what the name was? But I know it's this funky move that was done in the 90s and 80s. Right? Something like this. But we are not going to use it exactly. We're going to modify it. So instead of us doing ours to the side, we're going to pull. We can as well do this if we want to, but we're going to pull. We're pulling down. And every time we're pulling, our body, we are... Wow, that felt weird. So, yeah, so there's a bounce, right? There's a bounce. Not just your leg, but your upper body. There's a bounce. But the focus is not on our body, even though our body has a role to play. The focus is on our hand and how we react or respond to the way our hand is moving. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. And why I said it's not on our body, because we can literally do this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll slow it down. You try with me. Just basically you're pulling. Let's say you pick a fruit up here and you're pulling it. And while you are pulling it, your knees are going forward, coming back. Going forward, coming back. The shorter you make it, the faster you look like you're bouncing. If you do, there's a lot of traveling time. There's a lot of going front and back. But if you do, you shorten that motion. It shakes your whole body, which gives that. So based on the song, based on the hit of the song, that will determine the... Yeah, you get it. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. See. I don't know if you're smiling, but I need you to always smile when you are learning and when you are dancing. It helps a lot. Besides it making you feel good, it's attached to your pre-learning phase. Like once you get these moves down, automatically your brain believes that smiling is part of the dance. And it helps you, makes you comfortable, makes everybody comfortable, makes you radiant, and you look like, oh my God, you're holding it down. So please smile. Let's go again. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Awesome. All right. So I believe I've taught you 3 right now, right? Yeah. So we have, let me remember, we have side to side. We have the hourglass. Okay. We have, what are we going to call this? The pick drop, side, pick drop, yeah. Pick, drop, pick, drop. So now we're finally going to move. We're going to move to the side. This is something you've seen, and I believe most of us watching, even though I know I'm just talking to you, or most people watching have done this when they are dancing. So basically, we'll move to our right, and then we'll move to our left. And we're just stepping. With the right leg first. 1, 2, 3, stop. And then we'll take it to the other side. 1, 2, 3, stop. So what our legs are doing is 1, 2, 3, tap. And 1, 2, 3, tap. And 1, 2, 3. Follow me. Tap. And 1 more. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and awesome. So your upper body, your face, your hand gestures will now feed how you look like when you are moving. So an example is this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You are basically side to side. And sometimes, if you feel like you want to do something extra, you can cross your legs. Pa, 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 pa. See, I need you to understand that no matter how many times you make mistakes, right? These are all I call them. These are fun sparks. They are not things to worry about. If you're making a mistake, it means you are learning, and you should embrace that, because the faster and the more mistakes you make, the more you know what not to do. Yeah, so have fun with it. Give yourself permission to make mistakes. We cannot escape it. I used to be a horrible dancer. Extremely horrible. I'm the last born of my family, and I was born into a family of dancers, but I could not dance. So I had to put in the work because I did not want to feel left out, right? And as God will have it right now, I'm the only person actively dancing and teaching. So it's fun. I'm happy, I'm excited. But if I didn't give myself permission to make mistakes, to try things, to feel out of place, I don't think I'll be doing this video right now, and I don't think I would have been able to touch the lives I have touched so far. So please, give yourself permission to let things happen. But whatever happens, regardless, have fun, smile, enjoy the process. It is fun when you are learning the dance more than it is fun when you are dancing. Take it from me. I've danced a long time. Yes, I enjoy the process of getting the move. But going through that process, I put myself through some stuff. But it does not mean that all of them were hard moves. I eventually decided to take it professional, and it was a lot. You don't need to take it professional like me, but you can dance, right? So let's do the side to side one more time. I'll teach you one more move. We'll try it together. We'll try with the song slow, with the song fast, and I'll be on my way. All right, so side to side, 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, and 3. Awesome. So the last move, we're basically going to be on the same spot, and we're going to cross our legs, which is with your right leg first. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can we try it? 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So I want to mix everything. I want us to do that together. take it from the first move down to the last move, we'll join it together. So ideally, the goal is for every move we do 8 counts twice, that's 16. We do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, final one, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome stuff. All right, let's do it with the music. That was amazing. You were awesome. Remember, you can dance. Nobody should tell you you can't. Not even you, because you can. Anybody can and you can. You're an exception. That you can out of everyone that believes they can't. Right? Right. Awesome stuff. Thank you for staying this long. You want to dance more? I have a video on the screen right now that should help us move our body. Click on it. See ya.